Hey there, today I'm going to be going over how to get a chat overlay to show your Twitch and or your Kick onto your live streams. This is 100% free and it's essentially just a browser source that you add to OBS. It's super easy, it'll take less than 2 minutes and let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is go over to streamable.run and click sign up and create an account. Then once you're signed in, go into settings and we're going to be going over to destinations to add our Twitch and or Kick. So we'll go ahead and do that over here. And I'll add my Kick as well. After this, we're going to go to Tools, Overlays, and enable both the Twitch and the Kick. Then we have the link here for the browser source. So what we're going to do is just copy this and head over to OBS to create the new browser source. New browser, and we can name this chat and paste in the URL right here. Click OK, and we are all set to go. Now you'll have your chat visible to your viewers, and we can test this by sending a chat into our offline stream. So as you can see here, we're typing into the stream and we see our chat showing up here. We can resize it to be smaller. And here we'll do it on Kick as well. So I'll say hi and test, and we see it shows up here. When we go live, it'll be on our stream. All right, so that's how to get chat onto your stream for completely free. If you want to IRL stream with the chat as well as have stream drop protections, which means that if you lose connection, your stream won't end, then I highly recommend using Streamable. You can check it out. There's a free trial. It comes with a lot of stuff. You can switch between your desktop and your IRL camera without ending your stream. We have DDoS protection. You can also share Ingests with anybody with a click of a button. But if all you need is the chat, then you can just use the chat for free. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.